Hi and welcome to my channel. Today's episode I will try to once again get some shots of the white-throated dipper. I thought I'd do a try before the snow melts away completely, and unfortunately the weather is quite gloomy, grey skies and sometimes rain, but still it's over freezing, so let's head out there. So immediately when I got up here, I spotted the dipper. He was sitting on a small snowy patch in the stream. But as soon as I put the focus dot on him, he took off. I tried to follow, but he disappeared in a different branch of the stream. So I can't get there right now. There's no way over. So just have to wait. So this is the hole that I made in the ice the last time I was here. As you can see, the stream or the water flow had just picked up, and spring is coming for sure. So it's back. See him just 50 meters from here. Just gonna grab a shot of him. Man, that was a skittish bird. I just came, put up my camera, and he took off again. So, well, the hunt is still on, so we'll see about that. So I did catch up with him, but he just stayed for a minute, so I did get some footage, but well, I will try more. You can try to chase this one forever, so let's head back to the creek upstreams and see if he comes back. So as you already have figured out, the dipper came back. I didn't get any jaw-dropping pictures, just sitting and watching, and now we took off again into a place where I can't go, at least not with the camera equipment, and still stay dry. So I just have to wait. I'll take a walk around, see if I can find him again. So yeah, let's do that. So he's sitting just behind those branches and I have no clear shot. So, well, and he took off again. Skittish bird, this one. So I've been waiting for a while now. I haven't seen him. So I think I'll record today. The weather is closing in, it's getting darker. And also it's raining, almost raining, and yeah, it's been an experience. I still like it to be out here, even if I don't get the perfect shots. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.